Mr. Marmalade is an orange tabby cat with a coat as warm and golden as a sunset. He's currently curled up in a cozy patch of sunlight, fast asleep and softly purring like a little motorboat. His tail flicks gently now and then, and if you watch closely, you might catch his paws twitching. Mid-dream, perhaps. He's chasing something delightful. Sometimes, when he's extra comfy, Mr. Marmalade starts making air biscuits kneading the air with his front paws in slow, rhythmic motions as if he's working invisible dough. It's his way of showing he's reached peak relaxation. Quiet, gentle, and full of charm. Mr. Marmalade brings a special kind of calm to any room he graces.